I'm back, baby. Hit it out of the park today. Nice day trade. Check it out. Well, guys, as you know, the last couple days there, I had a few red days last week. They're up on YouTube, and it's just a part of trading. And one gets down on themselves sometimes. Sometimes you get a little emotional. Sometimes you don't manage risk properly. Stuff like that happens. I know it's happened to me. It happens to other people. It's part of the game sometimes. There are days where you just don't. You're not your best trader, right? So your job is to manage your risk, right? Trade your setups, okay? And not get shaken. Look at the bigger picture. We went over, how to get over slumps. We went over that video last week. It's up here on my channel, and I'd invite you to definitely go take a look at it because it's going to provide you with a lot of good information. Now, today I came into the day, had a really good watch list, had a nice weekly watch list. If you're not signed up for the weekly and daily watch list, they're completely free. Sign up. I'll leave a link in the comment section below for you. All right. Now, I sat down, I looked at the charts, I knew what I wanted to trade, I waited for my setups. One of them didn't come, the pullback didn't come deep enough for me. So I sat there and waited and waited and waited. Took a look at NVAX, which was on the weekly watch list, and took full advantage of that one. Traded my type of setup and nailed it. Really, really nice trade. And so much so that I've actually re-entered it for a little bit of a swing trade here. And I've been talking about this setup since last week. I've tweeted about it. I've put it in the weekly watch list. I mean, I've done everything I can to let you know about this potential setup because it reminds me a lot of the Netflix reverse head and shoulders pattern, okay? So that's what I went after today on NVAX for a day trade, and I also entered or opened up a swing trade on it as well. All right, guys? Now, without any further delay, I want you to do me one favor. Don't hit the like button. Don't do anything. Don't even look at it. But at the end of the video, if you learned something, if you understood my setup there, then smash the like button for me. And if you're new and haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe to the channel, right? Hit the notification bell so you're alerted when I upload my next video. And don't forget to check out the link in the description section below and the comment section for a 5-day trial at the daytraderchatroom.com. You can come trade with me every day for, a whole week. And you also have access to the video lesson library with over 200 videos and a few courses. Now let's go ahead and jump into the chart.
Guys, so happy Tuesday. Good day today. Let's take a look here. 71% of traders were green in chat today, 14% red, and 14% didn't trade, including free chat Monday. So congratulations, guys. Good showing today. Nice strength and way to stay disciplined. And today's trade, let me grab the watch list here. We'll jump into the watch list right here real quickly. And today's watch list here over at the daytraderchatroom.com, you have the weekly watch list, which had Netflix and the NVAX, Rover, RGC, KPLT, and in today's watch list, Tuesday, RNKT, LEXX, PLRX, AEHR, and Tesla. All right, those were the ones on watch. NVAX was on the weekly watch list. And so my trades today, I was trying to catch Tesla down here, and it just never gave me the pullback I wanted. It never gave me the pullback I wanted down here. And I'll show you what that was looking like real quick here. Let me move these fib levels, and we'll move everything back in time. So we'll go back in time some here. And that's what I was looking for. I was looking for a pullback down here into that 750 zone to get it tested, but it refused to get down there. The most it got to was like 752, 71, 751.80s, and I was really looking for it to come down here and see if we got a bounce. It did it right off of that level, and it just pushed and pushed, and now we're finally back down here to VWAP, but it's a little bit kind of late. I think the easy trade on Tesla is gone now. A few of the tickers I was watching was RNXT, nothing there. LEXX, nothing there. PLRX, it showed promise, but nothing there. AEHR, again, nothing there. All good gappers here. AEHR is actually reclaiming VWAP here and has a shot here to test the highs. So this one we got to keep on watch. So it made me come over here to NVAX, and NVAX was my trade today. So NVAX from the weekly watch list for this reverse head and shoulders pattern. Still looking at it for a potential swing trade. Had a nice move here. Here is going to be where my trade was. So what you notice here on NVAX is that this pullback pulled right on into what? VWAP, the 23.6 Fibonacci level, and that was the 264 level from the neckline on the reverse head and shoulders pattern. That's why I decided to get long right on there and look for the push higher. So we had the nice push higher on what? Big, nice, strong volume, right? Then we had the first pullback. We had that first pullback on decreasing volume, right? So that was the setup there on NVAX. And right around in here is where I went ahead and got long. Okay, I got long at 265.86. I got long with a stop at 264 area. All right, there we go. So long NVAX 265.86 with a stop in the 264 area, which is the bottom of this neckline for the reverse head and shoulders pattern. And we got a quick push up here to the highs, took a little piece of profit off, then it came right back down in here. Then we had a nice bounce, and we just took profits along the way here. So in at 265.86, taking some profits 267.12, taking more profits 268.10, taking more profits 267.46, and more off 269.21 as we push up to new highs, 269.03 more off, and then flat at 268.49. Right, and let me grab the alerts here and I'll show them to you real quickly. Here you go. So long 265.86, taking some profits 267, 268.10, taking more off 267.46, more off 269.21, more off 269.03, and then finally flat at 268.49. Now I'll show you where I got flat. I got flat right in here as the volume started to drop. We had good signs here, right? Because we had the decreasing volume on the pullback, then we had the push up here to new highs as we increased volume, but then we just lost steam. We just lost steam right there in front of 270, and that's when I decided to cut it loose. We came all the way back down here, violated the support zones, and then got all the way back up here, pushed to new highs. So, that's just the way it is sometimes. And then we had a big volume here on this new high day.
Well, guys, that's it for me today. I hope you learned something. If you did, show me by smashing the like button. Comment in the comment section below. Let me know what you traded today. I hope you're having an excellent start to the week and you had a great long weekend. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.